What do we have here? I think this is my Rollo. What's up, buddy? How you doing? Weirdo.
What's up, guys? This is Sam the Dapper Tiger, and I'm coming to you again with another one. Today, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the new Rollo printer that I just got in the mail. All right, let's go.
Ooh, sweet. That's sexy. Bunch of labels. Sweet.
Boom. All right, so initial thoughts. I really like the box. It's very sleek and the packaging is very attractive. The fastest, most reliable, and affordable way to print. Okay, so this side shows you all the platforms that Rollo is compatible with. You have eBay, PayPal, Amazon, Shopify, but no Mercari though. This side shows us the specifications of the Rollo printer and what's inside the box. I need my knife again.
So, open it up.
A better way to print. So we got a couple of cards here. One is a customer support card. Another has some shipping deals on here. A quick tip card. And a little manual with some sample shipping labels. Alright, looks like we got the AC adapter here. Yep. Alright, now for the star of the show. Let's pull this bad boy out. Here's a USB cable. Packet of desiccants. I'm going to take these pieces of styrofoam off. Just set them off to the side. This printer is a lot smaller than I thought it would be. Here's what it looks like compared to a Garage Flip's boxing tool.
Whoa.
Alright, here's some alcohol wipes, an instructional manual, and some sample printing labels. Sweet! Gonna read my manual real quick. Here's a quick start, an overview. There's actually a video that shows you on their website exactly what to do, so I'm gonna go on the website and figure that out. Here's some information if you use a Windows computer. I'm using a Mac, so I'm going to be following these instructions over here. So I'm going to press on the switch on the side here and open it up. And this is where I load the paper in. Alright, so we're going to plug in the power block over here. And then we're going to take this cord, we're going to plug it into the back of the printer. We're going to take this end and plug it into the wall. Here's the USB cable to connect the printer to the computer. Let me get this unwrapped real quick.
He just needs more strength.
Let's connect it to my computer. So now I'm on the Rollo website. I'm going to follow the directions and go to the instructional video. And I'm going to follow what she says here. I'm going to get the software installed real quick.
A few moments later.
Dope. Sweet. Alright guys, so I want to be upfront. We did not get sponsored by Rollo. I was already considering getting a thermal printer before Rollo even sent me a link, and through my research it actually boiled down to two thermal printers, the Dymo 4XL and the Rollo printer. Honestly, I wanted to go towards a thermal printer because my inkjet printer was just becoming a hassle as far as trying to restock on ink, restocking on paper, and then not including the trash that I create with the extra tape or glue fixing that label to my package. And even worse, if it rained or there were any weather issues, if I utilized the post service to pick up my mail and I left it outside in the weather, I would be in deep trouble. Anyways, so when I was looking at the Rollo and the Dymo, the first thing that I look at, and I'm sure all of you look at, is the price. When I look at the Dymo printer, it's at least $200 new in box. I'm sure that I could have gone online, looked for one that was broken, watched the college picker, try to refurbish it myself, and got one on the cheap. But then I heard all this stuff about the Rollo printer, and I'm looking it up online. If you look at it on Amazon, it's $169.99. But if you get it directly from the Rollo website, it's $159.99. Free shipping as well. So after the 10% off, I also tacked on an extra 500 labels. So with the 10% off coupon, I basically got a free stack of labels. My total cost of the Rollo printer plus the labels and tax was $172.10. For those of you who are interested, you can get it from Amazon. I'll drop the link in my description below. We've been using the Rollo for a couple of days now. Basically, my wife and I fight over who's gonna print out the label for the day because it's so satisfying. Stay tuned for my next video. I'm gonna be testing this out with Mercari. The one thing that I did love about Mercari was the ease of access with my phone. I do everything from my phone. So being able to open up a label and then directly send it to my printer and have it print was probably the biggest upside to having a printer for me. So the Rollo not having Wi-Fi or Bluetooth access is kind of a downside for me. I just hope it doesn't take longer for me to print out a Mercari label versus actually taping one to a package. Anyways, my name is Sam. I'm the Dapper Tiger. I want to thank you guys very much for watching. For those of you who know me, I have a baby on the way and it can come anytime now. So I'm super excited. I'm super happy to share a little bit more about myself with the community. But until the baby's born, my family takes priority. Until then, you can find me every Friday night, 8 p.m. on OBX Pickers channel. Me, OBX, and Midwest Bargains. The three of us run a reseller roundtable where we invite other resellers where we can actually ask them a little bit more about their reselling journey and maybe drop some knowledge bombs to help you with your journey. Otherwise, stick around. Every Thursday I'm going to be dropping a new video. So if you like Rollo printers or if you like babies, go and hit the thumbs up. If not, hit the thumbs down. Why not? It's free anyways. Until then, comment, subscribe. It's free. I love you. Bye.